Hello everyone, I am Berke Dalar from the Kocaeli University Business Administration School 3rd grade, and today I am going to record for my object-oriented programming class second submission compound interest. Let's check our question first. Okay, exercise 14. Compound interest. When a bank account pays compound interest, it pays interest not only on the principal amount that was deposited into the account, but also on the interest that has accumulated over time. Suppose you want to deposit some money into a savings account and let the account earn compound interest for a certain number of years. The formula for calculating the balance of the account after a specified number of years is, I'm not going to read this formula. The terms in the formula are: A is the amount of money in the account after a specified number of years, P is the principal amount that was originally deposited into the account, R is the annual interest rate, N is the number of times per year that the interest is compounded, T is the specified number of years. Write the program that makes the calculation for you. The program should ask the user to input following: the amount of principal originally deposited into the account, the annual interest rate paid by account, the number of times per year that interest is compounded. For example, if interest is compounded monthly, enter 12. If interest is compounded quarterly, enter 4. The number of years the account will live to earn interest. Okay. So, first of all, I'm using VS Code Studio, Visual Studio Code for this assignment. I'm much more comfortable with that. Also, I'm using this for my web development purposes. Now, we have to declare a function, and our function must calculate our compound interest rate and the amount of money that we take after a given year. So first of all, I am starting with the P. P is the float. Let's make it input. We are using float because we are playing with integers, and we want to take right input, so we have to use floats for our function works correctly. So P is our, let's checking here again. Okay, amount of money. P is the amount of money. So I'm going to say enter the principal amount with dollar. Okay, I will use this for other variables too, for R, for N, for T, but our inputs will be different. P, R, N, T. Sorry, N, T. Okay, this is right. Okay, and R or interest rate, I think. Yes, enter the interests rate, enter the annual interest rate. Let's make this correct. Enter an N, number of times per year computed. Enter the number of times per year. Interest has compounded. We don't have to use dollar here. We don't have to use dollar here too. Enter the principal amount, and T is a time. Okay, enter the number of years. Account will be left for earn interests. Okay, So here we have to do something for our R rate, and we're doing this by just divide it to hundreds, not like that, but must be like that. Okay, so or users just can give interest rate like that instead of this. So, and this is the time to write our main function, which is here. Let's take this p times, okay, p times rn, and here n times t, okay, and we have to print this out like that after t years. You know, a dollar, okay, here, so I have to put dollar here, I think. Here is dollar, a is our amount of money will be in the account. It must be like that. Okay, let's change that in the case of, okay, IF is working right now. No, it's not going to work. I have to change all of them. T, okay. It must work here right now. Let's run our program. Pi. Let's enter principal mode 100. Okay, our function doesn't work. I have to save it and close this. Let's try this out one more time. Pi compound, pi. Okay, pi compound, pi, and enter amount 100. Enter unknown interest rate. Let's take it 20. 12. It's a little bit shaky. And 2 years, and here our solution. I hope it works okay and good for our submission. Thank you for listening.